Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. SQL Server is running, you have a database and a SQL login. Next, open Visual Studio and add the Microsoft data. SQL client NuGet package to your Chash project. Once done, create a connection string in app settings. JSON or as a secure secret, include server name, database, user ID, and password. You do this now because the connection string is the central piece. It tells your Chash code where and how to connect. You now implement the middle steps. In a data access class, import Microsoft data, SQL client, and create a SQL connection using the connection string. Then construct a SQL command with a parameterized query to avoid injection, add SQL parameters, and call await command. Execute reader async or execute non-query async. Make sure to wrap connection and command in using blocks so resources are disposed. This pattern ensures reliability and security while you fetch or modify data. You finish by testing. Run the same query in SSMS to confirm results, then execute your Chash method. If successful, implement proper error handling and connection retry logic. If it fails, check common issues. Firewall blocking port 1433, wrong instance name, or SQL authentication disabled. One key troubleshooting tip: capture the full exception and inner exceptions, then enable logging. Those details lead you directly to misconfigured connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.